morning. How are you? Have you had your breakfast? Okay, very good. Okay, dear. Today we are discuss about the remaining parts of our previous class. In our previous class, we are discuss about different methods of new propagation, grafting, layering, budding, etc. Okay. Today we are discuss about crop management, tissue culture, etc. Okay, let's start. Okay, days in our previous class we are discussed about the term of hybridization. Okay, these hybridized seeds are developed in agricultural institutions, different agricultural institutions. What should be made possible in the agricultural sector? Seeds are should be made possible in the agricultural sector. Look, what should be made possible in the agricultural sector? High yield, quick yield, resistance to infections, lower nurturing costs, availability of quality seeds or planting materials. These are should be made possible in the agricultural sector. Okay. Next, agricultural research institutes. Different agricultural research institutes. The first one, Kerala Agricultural University, Mannuthi in Thrissur. This is famous agricultural research institute in Kerala. Next, Central Tuber Crops Research Institute, Srikaryam, Thiruvananthapuram. Third, Indian Institute of Spices Research, Kozhikode. Fourth one, Rubber Research Institute of India, Kottayam. Central Plantation Crops Research Institute in Kasaragod. Sixth one, Regional Research Centers of Kerala Agricultural University. These are the important agricultural research institutes in Kerala. Okay. The next topic is tissue culture. Have you any idea about it? Tissue culture? Do you know about it? Okay. Tissue culture. What is tissue culture? Tissue culture is the process of producing a new generation from a cell or tissue of a plant. It's the process of producing a new generation, new propagation or new generation from a cell or tissue of a plant. From a cell or tissue of a plant. It's a process of producing a new generation from a cell or tissue of a plant. Example, banana tree, pineapple. These are cultivated in this type of method, tissue culture. The peculiarity of this technology is that hundreds of plantlets with the same quality of parental plant. Okay, 100 of plantlets with the same quality of parental plant. It is the peculiarity of this technology. Okay. We will get high yield from fertilized soil. Yeah, we will get high yield from crops from a fertilized soil. What is the benefit of depositing plant debris in the field after cultivation? What is the benefit? Depositing plant debris in the field after cultivation. Look, what is the benefits? The benefits of this cultivation, this depositing plant debris is the nutrients provided by one kind of plant debris is not the same supplied by another. The nutrients provided by one kind of plant debris is not the same supplied by another. The second benefit is the more diverse the plant debris that decomposes in the soil, the higher the fertility of the soil. The more diverse is the plant debris that decomposes in the soil, the higher the fertility of the soil. Okay. The next topic is, what are the methods followed by farmers to ensure maximum diversity in agriculture? The farmers followed different types of methods to ensure maximum diversity in agriculture. The first method is intercrop. The first method is intercrop. Look at the picture. See, in this picture we can see different types of plants in this field. Okay, look, elephant yam, taro is cropped between the banana trees. Okay, in this type of method of agriculturing is called intercrop. Short-term crops cultivated among the main crop in such a way that they do not harm the main crop are called intercrops. Short-term crops cultivated among the main crop in such a way that they do not harm the main crop are called intercrops. They help in maintaining soil fertility. In this intercrop method, it help in maintaining soil fertility. Okay, can you understand? The first method of followed by the farmers to ensure maximum diversity in agriculture is intercrop. What is intercrop? Yes, in intercrop method, in main crop, among the main crop, short-term crops are cultivated. It is very helpful in maintaining soil fertility. It is not harm to the main crop. It is the intercrop method. Okay. Okay, my dears. Today we are discuss about tissue culture and different agriculture research institutes, and the method followed by farmer is intercrop. Can you understand these topics? Okay. Okay, thank you, dears.